Every year, the world grows quieter. A sound disappears. A species gone. A part of our story erased forever. Human activity has pushed more animals closer to extinction than ever before. Not because they are dangerous, not because they are useless, but because we never learned how important they truly are. Every endangered species has a story. A mother searching for food that will never grow back. A baby waiting for a parent that will never return. A family line ending, not by nature, but by our hands. When they disappear, our forests change. Our water becomes unsafe. Our crops fail. And our climate becomes harsher. Endangered species are not just animals. They are workers of nature. They balance our ecosystems. They protect us, even if we don't see it. Imagine telling the next generation that elephants once walked this earth, that forest was breath for us, that beauty existed, but we allowed it to vanish. But the story is not over. We still have time. Every little action, every shared post, every protected forest, every rescued species matters. If we defend nature today, nature will defend us tomorrow.